Automate YouTube. Learn how to grow, manage, and monetize YouTube channels. Automate YouTube. Learn how to grow, manage, and monetize YouTube channels. Introducing YouTube Automation Academy. This academy teaches you how to start, grow, and monetize a super profitable YouTube channel from complete scratch. Doesn't matter if you don't have any tech skills or any previous business experience. We will teach you everything you need to know. Follow along with our step-by-step program and get help with our community of like-minded and loving individuals. Learn my exact strategies. In this course, I teach you my exact strategies for starting YouTube channels from scratch and show you how I started a YouTube channel from zero in revenue to over $10,000 a month in just 3 months. I hold nothing back from you. All the growth hacks, secret algorithm tricks, everything is in this course. Caleb Box has worked and becomes friends with some of the biggest creators on the platform. With the experience gained from working personally with huge YouTube stars like Preston, who has over 10 million subscribers, it's safe to say, Caleb Box is one of the most knowledgeable people teaching the space of YouTube today. What's included in this course? Introduction, how YouTube automation works. Starting, brainstorming niche, researching niche audience. Customizing channel layout settings, making channel art with Photoshop. Top 25 profitable niches. YouTube channel acquiring, optional, introduction to YouTube channel acquiring, websites to acquire YouTube channels on. How to avoid getting scammed. Acquiring a YouTube channel step by step. How much is a channel worth? Making viral content, finding viral video ideas. How to execute viral videos. Quality versus quantity rant. How to write scripts. How to make voiceovers, intros and outros. What you need to know. Content hacks, equipment software. How to organize content production. How to overcome camera shyness. Core factors of virals, audience retention, click-through rate, viewer session time, engagement factor. Your one priority to focus on at 0 subscribers. Thumbnail workshop, overview of thumbnail workshop section, thumbnail checklist, how to make thumbnails. 1. Getting discovered, community post hack. Everything descriptions tags, social media network hack. YouTube Studio deep dive, studying click-through rate, studying audience retention. Money making, YouTube ad revenue. How to leverage YouTube automation for other products, affiliate marketing. Copyright, how to edit videos for fair use. How to dispute copyright claims, how to get music-free footage. Outsourcing team building, freelancers introduction, how to get freelancers. How to manage freelancers, how to hire freelancers. How to keep freelancers, how to set deadlines not burn team out, how to hire a channel manager. High income copywriter UP1, Danlock. Make money from YouTube with no marketing and no filming relative posts.